Okay, hello guys, welcome to the second tutorial. Today we're going to be covering ints and strings. I am going to be covering strings first, and I have an empty hello world document. You can just delete the system.out.println things that you have in the public static void main method. So now you just want to do what a string is it is a file, so you do like string, name of the string you want, equals, and then do what it holds. A string holds text, and it can hold numbers inside that text. So you can do something like hello world, and there, the string holds it now. You can just do that. Now, if right now this string has no point of holding hello world, so you can just do system.out.println and just type in the string file right there. So what is going to happen is this, it's going to pull the information from this string and put it into this without actually typing it in. See, hello world. Now, a common mistake that you could make is not putting the string in the public stack void main method. If you have anything like system.out.println in a public stack void method, and then you declare it out of it, like for example, like this. Oh, damn. You guys can't even see what I'm doing, can you? Okay, now you can tell. So, as you can see, I have the string here, system.outline.string, and I have a string here that holds hello world. It holds the hello world method. And then this will print out the string, which is hello world. So now you can do compile project, but because, as you can see, I get an error here, non-static variable string cannot be referenced from stack context. This is because I declared it out of public stack void main string args. That is why the public static void method is barely used when it comes to game programming, because it's completely pointless except for the JFrame, which is what the actual frame is. So you have to put the string in the static void method, like so. And it printed hello world. So now I'm going to do integers. I guess I will just print out, we'll close that, and I am going to declare an integer inside this. By the way, for integers and stuff, and booleans and things like that, you can do things like public integer, which means if you create a class, like in Java, since it is object-oriented programming, you can do things like public int, which you can use on multiple different files. So, or you can do private, which means it's more accessible and it'll make the integer get accessed faster. So if it is not going to be used in any other file, always do private. You can also add a final in there. Final makes it so that it can't be changed. But I'm just going to do private int and then equals. An integer is something that holds a negative or positive number. So like that equals that. And now you're probably thinking, well, what can I do with that? What error did I make? Oh, okay, never mind. Let's see. No. I'm completely retarded and didn't name the integer equals minus blah 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 blah. So with an integer, you can't really do system.out.println. You have to do system.out.println, and then you have to do the whole thing integer dot to string, and then do the integer, which is integer, as you can see right here, and then do another one like that, and now it will print out the integer. See, prints out the integer. That concludes the integers and strings thing. In the next one, I am probably going to do object-oriented programming and stuff like that. Well, yeah, what object-oriented programming means, and I'm probably going to do a couple methods in the next one as well.